Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to use Capcut for TikTok. So here I already have the Capcut application and I want to show you how to do a Capcut for the TikTok. So you can start a new project or you can also use the previous one. I want to use my previous here. So you can see here, this video has a wide ratio, right? Meanwhile, the TikTok ratio is kind of like portrait. So the things we have to do is just go into this downside features here, and after that we just need to slide into the left side these features until we found a ratio right here, and then just click it. And after that you can see there will be a lot of options that you can explore here, a lot of ratio that you can explore here. So one of them is for TikTok use 9:16 right here. You just need to click it, and now you can see that this video is quite become smaller. You can do it this way, or you can also resizing or adjusting the size for the video so that it will be fit into the ratio of the video. Just need to click the video, just need to click the clip, and after there is a blue line on the outline of the video, you just need to drag by pincing the video with two of your finger. And after all is fulfilling, you can also adjusting the text by just clicking the text, and after that click this part, and now you can adjusting the size right there, adjusting the positions too. And after that you just try to check. Okay, and after you're satisfied with the result, you just need to click this to export this editing. And after that, if you want to use this video directly to upload it into TikTok, I just need to click share to TikTok. And after that, you just need to hold on and follow all of the instructions. Okay, you just need to follow all of the instructions. Click next, add the caption, and then after that just click post. That's all the way how we use Capcut for TikTok application. If this video got useful, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.